Ever felt like your bank account is secretly nibbling away at your hard-earned cash? Like, you're not even sure what you're paying for, but the balance just dwindles? You're not alone. I mean, think about it. We're all trying to be smarter with our money, right? Budgeting apps, side hustles, cutting back on those impulse buys, but then, bam! A mysterious monthly fee pops up, and suddenly, your carefully crafted financial plan has a gaping hole in it. We're all looking for that sweet spot, aren't we? That bank that's actually on our side. A place where you can manage your money without feeling like you're being nickel and dimed every step of the way. And lately, one name keeps popping up in those conversations, Starling Bank. It's got that sleek, modern vibe, those cool features everyone's raving about, and, well, that promise of simplicity. But here's the burning question, the one that's probably keeping you up at night. Is it really that simple? Is there a hidden cost? Is there a monthly fee lurking in the fine print, waiting to pounce? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Starling Bank to uncover the truth. No fluff, no jargon, just straight answers. Because let's be honest, in a world where financial transparency feels like a mythical creature, we need to know exactly what we're getting into. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick step back and understand why monthly fees exist in the first place. Traditionally, banks have relied on these fees to cover the costs of running their operations, branches, staff, those fancy marble floors. But with the rise of digital banking, things are changing. We're seeing a shift towards a more streamlined, customer-centric approach. And that's where Starling comes in. Starling Bank positions itself as a challenger bank, a digital-first institution designed for the modern world. They've ditched the bricks-and-mortar approach, opting for a mobile-first experience. But does that mean they've also ditched the monthly fees? The answer, in a nutshell, is no. There is no monthly fee for maintaining a personal Starling Bank account. That's right. Zero, zilch, nada. You can open a current account, manage your money, and enjoy all the features without worrying about a recurring charge hitting your balance. And let's be clear, this is a big deal. In a market saturated with hidden fees and confusing terms, Starling's transparency is a breath of fresh air. They're basically saying, we believe in providing you with the tools you need to manage your money without charging you for the privilege. But, as with anything in life, there are a few caveats. While the basic personal account is free, Starling does offer some optional add-ons that come with a monthly fee. For example, there's the Kite account, designed for teenagers, which has a small monthly subscription. Then there's the business account, which has monthly fees. But we are focusing on the personal account today. So, let's break down exactly what you do get for free with a standard Starling personal account. You get a fully functional current account. You can send and receive money, set up direct debits, and manage your finances with ease. A contactless debit card, perfect for everyday spending, both in-store and online. Instant payment notifications. Stay on top of your transactions with real-time updates. Spending insights. Get a clear picture of where your money is going with detailed analytics. Saving spaces. Set aside money for specific goals and watch your savings grow. Fee-free spending abroad. Use your card internationally without incurring hefty charges. 24/7 customer support. Get help whenever you need it, right from your phone. And all of this without a monthly fee. It's like having a personal finance assistant in your pocket without the hefty price tag. But why is Starling able to offer this? How can they afford to provide so much for free? Well, it comes down to their business model. By focusing on digital banking, they've significantly reduced their overhead costs. They don't have to maintain a network of branches, which means they can pass those savings on to their customers. They also generate revenue through other means, such as interchange fees, the small fees merchants pay when you use your debit card, and lending. They're not relying on monthly fees to keep the lights on. They're focused on building a sustainable business model that benefits both them and their customers. Now, some of you might be thinking, this sounds too good to be true. There has to be a catch. And it's a fair question. We've all been burned by hidden fees before. But with Starling, the transparency is real. They're upfront about their pricing, and they're committed to providing a clear and straightforward banking experience. Of course, it's always important to do your own research and read the fine print. But based on our findings, Starling's claim of no monthly fees for personal accounts holds true. And speaking of research, let's address some common concerns that people have about digital banks in general. Some worry about the security of their funds, while others are concerned about the lack of physical branches. In terms of security, Starling is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, and is a member of the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, FSCS. This means your deposits are protected up to £85,000, just like with a traditional bank. They also employ advanced security measures, such as biometric authentication and fraud detection, to keep your account safe. As for the lack of branches, it's true that you won't be able to walk into a physical location to speak to a teller. But Starling's 24/7 customer support is available via phone, email, and in-app chat, so you can get help whenever you need it. Plus, with the convenience of mobile banking, you can manage your finances from anywhere in the world. So, to recap, is there a monthly fee for maintaining your Starling Bank personal account? The answer is a resounding no. You can enjoy a wide range of features and benefits without worrying about recurring charges. Starling's commitment to transparency and its digital-first approach are shaking up the banking industry, and it's refreshing to see a bank that's putting the customer first. Ultimately, the best bank for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. But if you're looking for a simple, transparent, and fee-free banking experience, Starling is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.